There's a few things that you need to know going into this series. Number one is if you made it to the 3rd trimester of your pregnancy, there's a 100% chance you have diastasis recti. That is a completely normal and healthy part of pregnancy, and it's where our core muscles separate and this ligament between them stretches. It's to make space for this growing baby and this whole new organ that our body has made. And it is an important part of pregnancy and birth. But afterwards, we're left with this stretch and this wide open gap in our core that causes instability. We also have a weakened pelvic floor, which means when we're sneezing, when we're coughing, when we jump, we pee our pants a little bit. And so these exercises is designed to help heal that, strengthen that. Yes, there will be the aesthetic benefit of pulling your core muscles back together and healing your diastasis recti, also known as not looking pregnant anymore after you've given birth. But there's also, and I want to highlight it even more, the quality of life that you will gain when your pelvic floor is strong and your diastasis recti is healed. Because that means you can hold your baby without your back hurting you. You can run and jump and sneeze and laugh without peeing your pants. And with a stronger pelvic floor, the intimate times with your partner is going to be a whole lot more satisfying. You're going to feel like you have control of your body again. I'm Jess. I'm a certified personal trainer and a yoga instructor and an internationally board certified lactation consultant. And this channel is all about you. It's about you after birth, helping you navigate that first year so that you can mother with confidence and with clarity. For the next 6 weeks, we're going to be doing 3 to 4 workouts a week, and we're starting with 10 minutes or less. These are short, very effective workouts, and they will make such a difference. So if you're ready, you're gonna need a mat or carpet, a chair, and a cushion or a pillow to be squeezing. I'll see you in a few. Oh, and a bottle of water. Always a bottle of water. Or coconut water. Or electrolytes. Get your hydration in because you're getting lots of work done. Alright, see you on the mat. At the beginning of each week, we're going to be measuring how much space is still between our core. And this is honestly an exciting part because you're going to notice it getting smaller and smaller. And you're going to be feeling stronger as the weeks go on. So I want you to very slowly and carefully get yourself onto the floor. You can lay on the carpet, on a mat, on a towel. Press your heels to the ground, your toes to the ground. Bend your knees. All right, when we lay comfortably on the floor, we often have a gap in our lower back between the floor and our back, right? So what we want to do to engage our core is inhale, exhale, press our lower back down. Every bit of our spine should be touching the floor. There shouldn't be one gap. I can't put my hand underneath my back. That's how much you want it pressed down. All right, relax. Place one hand behind your head. Inhale. Exhale, press your back onto the mat. Every single part of your spine should be touching the mat. Now lift your head up gently. This is how we're going to measure. Place one finger between your core. If you can place a whole finger down and you're not touching either side, that's one finger. All right, 2 fingers now. If you can you place both of them and they just sink down, you're not touching either side of this muscle, then that's a 2-finger separation. And oftentimes we're going to notice the biggest separation near our belly button. Place 3 fingers. If it still is going fully in, you're not touching either side, that's a 3-finger separation. And finally, 4. I had a 4-finger gap, okay? And now I have 1. It is possible to heal. You're going to feel a difference at the end of this. So write down how many fingers of a gap do you have between your core, because this is going to be what we're tracking. All right, and then slowly roll onto your side, press yourself up, slow and steady, and keep a big bottle of water next to you for the rest of this workout. Next, you're gonna need a chair and a pillow. So go ahead and sit in your chair. You're gonna need your pillow a little bit later. Sit in your chair. I want you to sit towards the edge of the seat. We're gonna inhale, exhale, And as we exhale, we're gonna imagine that we're peeing and we're stopping the flow. All right, inhale, exhale, stop the flow and hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, relax. It's kind of a strange exercise. You might not feel it at first, but it is going to make a difference. So just keep imagining this. All right, inhaling, exhaling, hold, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, relax. Okay, last one, inhale, exhale and hold, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now I want you to imagine that you are on the toilet and you're having to stop. Okay. Now I want you to imagine, and I'm sorry about this, but I want you to imagine that you're sitting on the toilet and you're having your poo and you have to stop immediately because someone is jiggling that doorknob and you're in a public bathroom and they're about to open the door on you. Okay? This is how fast you need to stop it. So, I'm so sorry for that, but it helps me. So we're going to inhale, exhale, and cut it off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So with these, we're engaging different parts of our pelvic floor muscles. The muscle that's around the sphincter and the muscle that is near the urethra. And those two, we want to bring awareness to them. We want to be able to know when to contract them, when to release them. So we're gonna do that 2 more times, okay? Inhale, exhale, and cut it off and hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, exhale, and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice. All right. Next, we're going to be doing knee lifts. So, sitting at the edge of our seat, inhaling, exhaling, and imagining that we almost have someone wrapping around our core and pulling it together. I just want you to visualize that for a second. You can even use your hands. Sometimes I do that to make sure I'm bringing awareness to my core while I continue to do these exercises. Hello, Mochi. Please don't knock over my camera. The cat is climbing through the window. All right. Inhale. Exhale and lift. 1, 2, 3. Core is tight. 4, 5, 6, 7. Chest is forward. 8, 9, 10, and relax. All right, if you want to, you can hold onto the seat, but we want to try to bring more control and awareness to our core. So inhaling again, you can place your hands on your ribs, you can place it on your tummy and remind yourself, pull the core tight. We're not flexing, right? We're not bending forward and squeezing our core. We're imagining that we're pulling these sides back together. So inhale, exhale, lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. This will be our last one on this exercise. Inhale, exhale. Now squeeze and hold and lift up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. Now we're gonna grab the pillow. And in these first few weeks, I will be talking us through and giving us cues, but as it goes on, I'm gonna talk a lot less. And I'm just gonna put music on and a timer because you'll remember these cues about pulling core tight, exhale, squeeze. That's what I always want you to remember. All right, so we're placing the pillow between our knees, and we're going to be squeezing the pillow and imagining that we're stopping the flow of pee again. All right, inhale, exhale, squeeze the pillow and then stop the flow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Inhale, exhale, and squeeze and stop the flow. 1, 2, 3, pull it tighter. 4, 5, relax. One more. Inhale, back is straight, chest is forward. Exhale, core pulls tight and stop the flow. Squeeze the pillow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, relax. All right, we're gonna do just 3 of those knee lifts with the pillow. All right, we're gonna be doing it together, as in the knees are together. So inhale. If you need to hold on to the chair for balance, hold on to the chair for balance. We don't want you falling over. And remember, we're sitting towards the edge of the seat. We don't want to sit all the way back because that's going to flex our core in a way we don't want it to be flexing at this point in our healing process. So inhale, exhale, and lift up and down. 1, lift up and down. 2, lift up and down. 3, relax. And that's it. That's it for today. If you feel really good, you can go through this again, but please remember, slow healing is deep healing. We don't have to jump right back into it. Just a little bit of movement, a little bit of core activation each day, working on our pelvic floor. It's going to make a huge difference. But if you do want to do it again, you can. Just do it one more time. Otherwise, please go for a 10-minute walk and just drink a lot of water. Take care of yourself. Cuddle with your baby, give some kisses. I hope it helps. I love ya. I'll see you, pizza, and I'll see you in the next one.